then bringing you the answer for the SEI in the Revolut app to get a free crypto talk token drop. So we want to start with the first of the 4 quizzes. As always, we can skip and go through this text part because it's not interesting for us, and the answer for the first question are the second, and again the second one. So first of all, it's really easy for us. So the second, and then the second answer. So we get credited for these tokens, and now we can move on to the second quiz. And this one, the answer will be the second, and the third. So let me show you again, second, and third. We can claim now the second drop, and we can move on to the third one. And in this case, as I'm going to show you, we will again have the same set of answers as the second one. So we'll have the second answer, and then the third. Let me show you again, second answer, and then the third. In all of your quizzes will be the same exact order. So don't worry, and there's no penalization if you fail one of the questions. Then again, the third quiz, we have a slight change. So now will be the third one, the second one, and then again the second one. So in this case, let me repeat again, the third, the second, and then the third. And with that, you had your 4 quiz and drops of SEI. So hope you guys enjoy and you can find your more cryptos drops in this channel. See you later.